Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best application to transfer money one country to another country in absolutely free of cost, and that application name is Remit Choice. I am providing you detailed demonstration how to sign up, how to transfer money within a minute, zero transfer fee. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. You can do same process as any kind of smartphone devices. Also the application is available absolutely free. You just simply click on Google Remit Choice and the first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. Remit Choice, money transfer, send money abroad in the world. So simply click here. Couple of months ago this application are introducing the original headquarter based on UK. So application available on iOS and Android, as I already say here, and little bit informations are available here. Transfer, track, on the go. You can, after sending the money, you can track very easily. Using the sending money, you can use your debit card, credit card or bank account number. You can contact with them as an email, chat, support center, frequently asked question, 24/7 they are providing you help. If you are facing the problem directly, phone number is available, email address is available. So before start anything, we first of all sign up here. So I just simply click here sign up. As a sign up point of view, you need to add here first name, last name and email address and your country related mobile number. So I am simply type here my Danish number and then enter your password. Password must be in case sensitive. Retry your password and then referral code. So right now I have no referral code, but if you are watching my video, so I am putting here my referral code in video description, so you can very easily use this referral code and sign up. Hope probably I can receive some reward also. So simply register here. I register, very successfully register is done. I just simply click here. After clicking, I am receiving one of the OTP in my Gmail address. Which Gmail address I provided. You can check your spam folder also, because of I received this email on my spam folder. Verification is done. Click here and then added here my email address and password for the sign in. Remember me, yes, and login. So look at this. This is my dashboard and I can send very easily now money. So here transaction ID, total amount, completed transaction, all informations are visible here, display here. So this is my dashboard, and now here welcome to Remit Choice Limited dashboard. Send money, add recipient or add document. First of all, you complete your profile and fulfill all detailed information here, and then accordingly update your profile. You can add here my recipient, current recipient if you want add here, so you can add here. So first of all, I add here one of the recipient of myself. I select here India, cash pickup or deposit to bank, deposit to bank. So here as a deposit to bank point of view, add here recipient name. So I am adding here myself, add recipient mobile number. So I am adding myself mobile number, relationship between of this particular person, self, or here several options are available. You can select any of the one, but I select myself, and the IFSC code of this particular bank. So I am adding here IFSC code of my bank and pitch detail. So the detail automatically come here. The branch is Gachibowli, Hyderabad, absolutely right, and I have put it here my account number. I added here account number. So total information is completed and submit. Recipient created as a successfully done. So this is a one option to add a recipient, and my document add here. So first of all, select your document, which types of document you are providing, driving license, national ID or residence card or passport. So you can first of all add it here passport. So upload passport related information, so you can very easily upload here and then submit. So my document is successfully submit here. I click here sending the money, but notification comes here, you need to complete your profile. 80% is completed, remaining 16% is required. So I add here my date of birth and related information. So now my profile is 100% completed. I'm transferring money from Denmark because of I create this account in Denmark location. So you can create of specific location, so that point of view the location automatically come here, and your sending location, look at this here in Denmark, how many countries I am sending the money very easily. Several countries are available here, in even India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and some other European countries also. So select India, continue. Like Denmark to India, pickup, cash pickup or deposit. So I already select here deposit. So look at this here. If I'm sending 100 Danish krona, so I'm receiving in Indian currency like 1091 INR. So today's exchange rate comes here in 10.91 INR. Transfer fees is 0. Total sending amount are displayed here. Continue, and then simply I added here a recipient. So if you want add new one, so added here, but I already added, so simply select myself. So all informations are come here. Purpose of sending money, family maintenance, saving, and method, which types of method you are sending the money, like credit card, debit card. So I select the debit card. Okay, confirm and process. Confirm and process point of view, you just put it here your debit card detail here, debit card number, month of expiry, CVV code, and just simply press as a pay button. So within a 5 to 10 minutes those money are receiving your Indian account or any other country account. Which country you are selecting, the within a 5 to 10 minutes those money are receiving your account, absolutely free of cost, using Remit Choice. So you can do this process and very easily receive the money one country to another country, absolutely free.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.